हेलो फ्रेंड्स, कैसे हो आप सब लोग? यू मस्ट बी स्टडिंग, एग्जाम है. आई एम हियर विद द वेरी exciting challenge, that is the challenge of 50 days. You can see on the screen that I am challenging you to write down the test. This test is nothing like you have to pay for it, or how do we get the paper, how do we write this paper, who would evaluate. Discuss all these things into this video. So there we go. As you can see on the screen, I have written the test challenge. Approximately there are around 55 days left for your exam. So what you can do is, in the previous video I talked about you should break your goal into small targets. So this is it. So I thought, why not try this thing with you all people. So this is applicable for all CA Foundation, CA Intermediate and Final students. What you have to exactly do into this is, first of all, this PDF would be rightly available on my Telegram channel. I will be providing the link into the description box. So you can open the link, download this PDF or take a printout, or it's okay if you tick mark in the mobile itself or your laptop. I have written serial numbers. There are 25 serial numbers. That is what, there are 50 days. So this is a 50 days challenge, right? So what I have done here, if you can see, this date is alternate day. Suppose this would start exactly from tomorrow. I believe that you people are already well prepared for your exam, or if you are not as well, please write down this test. This will definitely help you guys. How are you going to write down this test? See, date 9th September. You are going to write down. A first paper would be written on 9th September. The next paper would be written on 11th September. The very next exam would be written on 13th September. Right. So what you can do is, dates are already given by me. So what you have to do is write down, choose any subject. You can go chronologically as if you're appearing in the exam. So this test you have to write down from 2 to 5. On first exam as accounts, right? So first paper accounts, or for final it is FR. Then next, suggested year question paper, right? There are suggested question papers available on the website of institute. So suggested year question paper, November 2019. If you are in CA final, you are done with writing your exam, your paper from 2 to 5, that is your period. That is only the timings wherein you are going to go to examination hall and you are going to write down your exam. So you have to choose that time only, that is 2 to 5. And then if you are in CA final, tick here and say these columns are not useful for CA final. You can use this space for your progress. So here you can rate yourself. After accounts, maybe you choose to write law. Then similarly write down this and then again tick mark. So what will happen is, ratings out of 10. So you can rate yourself out of 10. You feel how did you write that exam, so you can make out on yourself that okay, it was okay, or it was satisfactory, or it was much better, or it was best, right? So you could write everything. Then probably you're well prepared with that subject. So likewise you are going to write down till 27th October. Now from 28th you got to prepare for your final exams. जो institute का exam आप लिखने वाले हैं, that is 28, 29, 30, 31st. You have got 4 days to prepare for your first exam. So those 4 days, I think 1 day is for relaxation. Rest, because for next 16 days schedule will be all 24 hours of writing exams, coming back home, preparing for next subject, again writing the exam, coming back home, again preparing. So this 16 days would just go like that. So what you have to do is rest for 1 day, that is 28th October, and then 29th, 30th and 31st is the time you have got to prepare for your first exam. Very important thing which I would like to discuss is, what you have to do is, when you start writing your paper, what you have to do is write down your name, date, subject, suggested question paper, year. So everything is summarized on the top of your answer sheet. You can send me your answer sheet to evaluate. That is for free. I'm not going to charge for it. So that is just free of cost. If you feel that it's okay, I don't want to send, you can keep it with you. You can yourself evaluate it. If you send it to me, I would evaluate your answer sheet and make remarks on your paper, give it back to you. And I can also suggest you that which subject or which topic, which particular thing needs to be focused more. And it's for your benefit only. So I'm not going to charge anything. So hurry up guys, don't wait for it. Accept this challenge. If you follow this tracker, then I'm sure that you're going to crack this November 2020 examination. So most important thing that how can you send me your answer sheets is you can email me or you can send it on my WhatsApp number. And you have to send me the PDF of your answer sheets, right? After you write down your answer sheet, click the pictures, create a PDF of it and then send it to me on my email ID or on my WhatsApp. It's very simple guys, you don't need to go anywhere. You have to just click on this button and you would be there on the mail directly. And also you can send it on the WhatsApp, that is if you click on this button, if you open this, you would directly go on my number, right? So it's not directing me to WhatsApp tab of mine. So yes, as rightly said, you can send your answer sheets to my email ID or on my WhatsApp number. Right? So this is it guys. So I think this is very interesting. So you can grab this opportunity, take it as a challenge, and you can contact me as well on my WhatsApp number. Thank you so much guys for listening to me for this. So all the very best guys for this tracker. If you're not sending me your answer sheets, please do follow this 50-day challenge. Bye bye guys, have a very nice day.
If you like this video, please subscribe and do not forget to hit the bell icon button. Thank you. If you like this video, please subscribe and do not forget to hit the bell icon button. Thank you.